In this video, we will teach you how to make a practical and creative school scroll to organize ourselves. Materials are checkered or white sheets, markers, pens or colors, a rule, a pencil, stick notes, and stickers. The steps to carry out this school scroll are the following.
First, we are going to make the spaces for the hour and the days of the week. In this case, we will make them 2 by 4 centimeters.
We are going to do some designs on the top to add some color to our sketch tool.
We put the title that is going to be Horario de Clases with a technique called lettering to give it more body.
To give life to our sketch tool, we are going to fill it with color in the spaces of the hour and the days of the week.
We begin to write the hours, days, and subjects in the assigned spaces.
This is optional, but we can add some stickers or small drawings around our title to give it more shape.
Can add sticky notes from some reminders.